Hey guys, welcome back to Live Tasty. So my family loves the Campbell's beef vegetable soup along with a good grilled cheese sandwich. And today I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. Trust me, it is so good. Let's get into it. So we're just going to start with our steak. This one is Angus beef sirloin. I got this at Walmart for about under $10. So just going to season it with Lori's adobo and some garlic powder. After we season it up, we're just going to heat a pan on medium-high heat and we're going to sear the steak. So searing it is going to lock in the flavors. Next, we're going to chop up some onion, garlic, and green pepper. I love using colorful vegetables for this soup because it just brings it to life. So now we're just going to remove the steak from the pan, and in the same pan with all those juices, go ahead and add in your green pepper, garlic, and onion. I don't know about you, but green pepper, garlic, and onion is like my mirepoix. Like, I put it in everything. For those of you that don't know, mirepoix is just a fancy term for carrots, celery, and onion. Next, I'm just going to add some water to the pan. It's better to use beef or vegetable stock. Then I cut up the beef and set aside. OMG, so I totally forgot to add my tomato paste to the vegetables before I added the water. Now I have to try my best to work it in there. But yes, so after you saute your vegetables, add your tomato paste and then add your liquid. Next, we're going to just add that steak right into the pot, cover it, and let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. Let's kill some time and chop some fresh herbs and vegetables. So this is fresh parsley and just a regular white potato. You can use pretty much any kind. I'm just gonna cut it up into bite-sized pieces and dump it right into the pot after my beef has become tender. We're just gonna let those potatoes cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, let's get started on our grilled cheese. So I don't know about you, but potato bread just hits different to me. And we have to have the American cheese. Then just add about a half tablespoon of butter to your pan, or you can do a whole tablespoon of butter if you're like me and you just love butter. Once that butter is melted, we're going to add a slice of bread into the pan, and I'm adding 2 slices of cheese because it just makes the cheese pull so much better. Add that second slice of bread on top and give it a little smushy smush. Once the bottom is brown, I'm going to take it out of the pan and add some more butter. Let that melt and just place the uncooked side of bread right into that butter. I don't know about you, but I'm getting so hungry right now. Look at that cheese pull. Once our potatoes have become fork tender, I'm going to add a whole can of diced tomatoes right into the soup. And we're also going to add a can of mixed vegetables into the soup. I'm using canned vegetables because my family loves the Campbell's recipe and it tastes more closely to the Campbell's recipe. Next, I'm going to add some sugar, about a tablespoon, and I'm going to taste test it to see if the flavors are balanced out. Do not come for me. Yes, sugar belongs in tomato sauce. I don't care, because you have to balance out the flavors, and all great cooks know, all chefs know that you have to balance out the salty and the sweet. So that was not enough sugar. So I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of sugar, give that a taste test, and it's perfect. Now I'm going to add some of that fresh parsley right into that soup, and it's just going to brighten it up, flavor it up, and bring it all together. Now the final step is to skim off this extra foamy stuff. I just don't like the way it looks, so I'm going to skim it off and then serve. This soup is so hearty and so delicious, and it's cold weather season and it's just perfect. If you guys try this recipe, please let me know in the comments, tag me, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.